So Connor takes home the big prize in Doorwarz 12, and boy, what a day it was. Talk us about this beautiful race car. What did you have to do between last night, really, and today to get that thing to victory lane?
Well, we just had to practice. We put a new carb on, so it's a little bit faster. I basically just had to guess on when to lift and do whatever.
Overall, the strategy on when you had to lift, it worked out perfectly clearly. You're standing with the belt, you're standing with the check. Is this going to be the first of a few wins throughout 2024?
We'll find out.
We'll find out indeed. Connor takes it to Junior Lightning at Doorwarz 12.